This is a model aimed to simulate how a structure made up of posts connected by beams would behave during an earthquake. What we are seeing is a very unstable structure. If we want this kind of structure to become stable even during shaking, we need to construct walls in order for the posts and the beams to be connected to each other, so they become a single whole or a part. So that even when the ground shakes during an earthquake, the building or the structure is stable. It just moves together with the ground as the ground moves. You see buildings or residential houses that are constructed in this manner. In terms of earthquakes, it's not really advisable because as you notice, when the ground moves, in addition to the absence of the shear walls, you are also contending with the weight